So today we are going to backtest the 28th of July, and we're gonna start out at 8 a.m. right? Since the volatility comes in at that time, I'm going to show you how do we decide to play the continuations based off 1 hour candle opens, right? On the left side we have 1 hour time frame, and on the right side we have 1 minute time frame. Over here you can see overlay of the 1 hour candle, and inside the 1 hour candle we have 1 minute chart. We have opens, right? The live open and the previous open of the previous 1 hour candle. So this is the 8 a.m. open. As you can see over here, we start the previous candle was super bullish, right? It swept the previous swing low, and now we make the continuation to the upside. You can see all of the candles is very rangy over here. So we can expect at least the price to come and sweep out this consolidation high over here. And maybe even these equal highs. Let's see. But the first easy target will be that one over there. And now we simply observe the price. We want to see it make the pullback into this previous open or the live open and close above. Then we go for the longs, since the previous candle is so bullish, right? It made a double bottom over here and swept it. Now we're back above all of these highs. Every time the price came here, it rejected down, rejected down, rejected down. Now we flipped and we're above the opens. We can make the continuation to the upside. Okay, it opens up, it goes straight to the upside. I didn't want to take any of these because usually the price makes some kind of pullback at least, right? So we are back at the live open. Maybe we can sweep the swing low over here. Yes, that's nice. Okay, thumb down. We have 50-minute gap as well below us, and the price closes back above the open, making a small double bottom over there. You can, let's wait actually a little bit more. Maybe it will tap into the 15-minute. Nope. A small consolidation going on over there. Okay, this is a nice good sign to go long. We are expecting the open with a big wick, and we can target the most easiest liquidity of this trend line, liquidity to the downside, right? And leave, usually, you know, the price takes out, it makes the pullback, and it might take out the high. Anyway, let's see. Okay, this was such an easy trade, right? A confidence to go higher since the wick is so obvious. Sweeping these internal lows over here and respecting the live open, we can make the continuation. So now we have reached the easy liquidity. We have some easy liquidity over there as well. 8 a.m. high, 8 a.m. low over there. Let's see what the price does. Is it going to sweep the low? It sweeps the low, right? Okay, this is a nice confirmation over here. We could go and try to take out the high. Okay, I think now it's too late, right? We have too much liquidity to the downside. Now I would not like to take this because it's already taken the new high. It gets sketchy. I mean, you can't take this, right? We have so much liquidity here, unfilled 50-minute fair value gap, and if the price pulls back over here, this low already took out this high. Now it's suspicious. And we go straight through the live open. I mean, we swept the high, right? The internal high, and we can target the previous open. Tap in, nice dump to the downside. Alright. We take the 8 a.m. low as well. We're closing. I will take this right away. This will be immediate entry, trying to fill in the previous 1 hour wick. Alright, That's why we always target the internal lows. These are easiest targets, right? And this short, why? Because it disrespected both of the opens, the live open, and we went straight through the previous open, and immediately nice rejection to the downside. I mean, this shows that the price wants to go to the downside, right? Otherwise, it would have been closing back, at least here, maybe made a pullback, maybe sweep, but this is our most recent bearish confirmation candle with the momentum to the downside. Let's see how the price reacts. Yep, this could be your trade as well, right? And you want to target the most recent low, 1-to-1. Just focus on the move, right? We don't focus on the profit. We just want to see 1-to-1 or more. And we are always scalping the most recent highs and lows. We just want to get base hits, right? Okay, this is a bad sign, but a big wick is a good sign, right? So what can we see over here? The previous 1 hour candle closed is very strongly to the downside. We have big 50-minute cap above us. I'm still expecting the price to make continuation to the downside, at least take out this 9 a.m. low before any move to the upside, right? 1 minute swing points. Okay, this is a good one. With a strong momentum after sweeping the internal high, I will go and target the live open. Okay, just 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and we hit the target. And you can see that this was the last bullish momentum to the upside. It swept the liquidity, came back below. I mean, this could have been your limit order entry from here. I'm targeting the 9 a.m. I don't know if I will go short from here. Oh yeah, I mean, that looks sus. Because, yeah, it doesn't... Okay, we swept the internal high. Okay, wow, this is very strong. Okay, this is respecting the open. I will place my stop loss behind the confirmation candle high and try to target the most recent swing high. Okay, we're sweeping accumulation. Can we get this high? Oh no. Oh, nice. So we have some easy liquidity here, some over there, equal highs with the 50-minute fair value gap, but we swept the 9 a.m. low and we have equal highs above us, right? We can see that we had a double top over here to push the price down like 2 times. Now we're back above. We also have the 1 hour live open over here. The candle closed bullish. We can look continuations to the upside, right? Okay, this is the pullback. Nice. If we close, you can see the trend line liquidity over here as well. I will take this because it closed so easily. Target the most reason. Okay, once again, this is a better sign, right? Oh shit. This is a better candle because with a strong closure, right? Still respecting the live open. And we had also 1 hour fair value gap as there. Okay. Yeah, I think we're coming for the equal highs, right? On the left side, right? To make the continuation of this bullish 1 hour candle. Yeah, some... Okay, this is good one. And we can target that one. Nice trend line break, right? Let's see. Okay, it goes straight through. And we're closing with the inside candle. We have 1 hour fair value gap below us. Let's see what price does. It dumps straight through the opens. We want to see the pullback. Okay, nice liquidity below us. We swept lots of liquidity into this. Oh no, we didn't even tap it. It might come back and sweep that high once again. Let's see how it behaves. It's below the opens, right? Has some trendline liquidity. Okay, I think it might be going straight down since we are breaking. We can target the most recent low. Okay, we close bearish, right? We come back up, we sweep the high. I think I would go short from here since it swept the internal high and it closed right below the live open. Okay, another continuation, right? We have some nice liquidity forming over here. I can't take this short because we have some liquidity below us, right, for the shorts, but at the same time we didn't really make any pullback into the previous candle either, so we have to sit out and see. Okay, we have both of these opens here. It's inside candle with lots of liquidity below us. Okay, let's see what price does. It sweeps that high. Do we get closure below? It's like hesitating, like it wants to go and sweep the highs once again. Okay, now we have double top, right? If it closes, okay, triple top or double top, sweeps the internal highs. Lots of liquidity below us. Okay, this is the short for sure. And the stop loss goes above the double top, right? And we can target the easy liquidity right over there. I would actually even go for another just in case it comes back and taps once again. I will add in this case. Okay, taps in. Nice rejection. Alright, this is a good one, right? Was forming over here, right? We open up, we try it once, sweep, try the second time, and we dump straight through the open. We have easy liquidity, comes back, dumps, right? That's why I love the opens, 1 hour opens, and I love to see how the 1 hour candle plays out, because you can be on the right side of the move. You can see the wick forming, right? That's why I like it. And usually some of the bigger moves happen at exact hour, right? So over here we're filling the 1 hour fair value gap. We have big wick on the both sides. We have nice liquidity to the upside as well. I don't know. From here I have to sit out to see what the price wants to do. I can see it making another sweep to the downside, but at the same time I can see it come back up to at least the previous open as well. Yeah, I'm going to sit out. Okay, it's respecting the live open. Oh damn. Yeah, easy liquidity, right? Sweep, fill the gap, make the continuation back to the upside. Now we're sweeping the internal high over here. We have nice liquidity here. Very thumpy price move. You know, the only thing that is bothering me is that game higher high, lower lower low, higher low, lower low. So this in itself is a trend to the downside, right? And we just made a push to the upside and going with the momentum. This looks exactly the same wick as over here. We open up, right? We open up, sweep, come back down. Oh shit, okay. We're at the previous open. It's completely disrespecting the previous open as well. Yeah, this is bad risk reward. Let's see what the price does. Alright, now we have nice liquidity to the upside. Okay, the price keeps disrespecting, dumping. Taking the confirmation at low. There's some 50-minute fair value gap over there. This is the bottom of the range, top of the range. We can play longs, especially with having this kind of trend line liquidity to the downside, right? Okay, this is, I will go easily long from here. Oh my god. It went so fast. So we're back in the previous bearish confirmation and let's observe the price. Does it want to come back to take out these lows before making the continuation? No, okay, it swims the internal, bullish confirmation, breakout. Since the previous candle was so bearish, right, we are looking for some kind of continuation to the downside. Okay, comes, takes out the high once again. If it breaks this trend line, I will go. Okay, since this is doubled up, we tried second time to make the high, it failed. Now we're going below. You can place your stop loss over there and make the continuation towards the live open. Okay. Now the candle closed bullish. Oh, ho. I think I would go and try to take this long. Okay, disrespecting all of the right. Nice tap, double bottom. Let's see if it closes above the previous open. I will go long, but nope, it keeps continuing. Nice trend line liquidity. I think I will play the pullback since we didn't get any pullback into the previous candle. I think even these equal highs, or at least to this low that sent the price up, right? So we can find some kind of resistance over there. Ideally, I would like to get these equal lows. Since we are at the bottom of the range, right? It's very simple. We have a rejection block over here. We're at the bottom of the range where the move went up 2 times, right? And now we open up. We went straight down. We accumulated. We didn't even touch the open. We dumped again. Now we are above the bearish confirmation candle. And since we didn't get any pullback into the previous candle, we have lots of trend line liquidity to the upside, right? I'm expecting the price to go and make the pullback at least into this. If it closes above, I will go. Okay, it rejects the open. Okay, fine. We have another rejection. Okay, double bottom. Let's try again. Now this looks more like a bottom. Try to target these equal highs. And it's respecting the open as well. Let's see if it came straight down. Are we going to this? Okay. If it closes above the live open, I would go long. And target this easy liquidity once again, right?